Hey yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to YouTube Cars. Today I have the helmet but you guys subscribe, I'm gonna take it off and we're gonna be starting to the video. You guys like it? Like the video? Okay. So welcome back to Shiloh Imposter Chase, where today we're going to be playing, and I took the Wi-Fi away because so that I don't have excuse of ads putting in front of my screen. So I'm gonna be playing as Josiah again. You guys remember the last episode? This is like Among Us. I made the video and I know it looks like that there is someone that you guys think I watched, but it's not like that. Well, let's make it
Let the games begin.
Oh,
Hey, watch it.
oh, it's Shiloh. It's Shiloh. Shiloh is tricky because she likes. Oh shoot! Oh no! Are you kidding? I just started. And you already killed me!
You got caught! So close!
No, I'm not gonna buy anything this time. I'm gonna be buying... Guys, write in the comments who should I buy. Especially if I need to buy someone that costs 1,500 coins. Please can I be imposter? Aww. I'm friend. Oh, let's do it, Brittany, because the red is sauce.
Get away from me.
Oh wait, it's Micah. It's Micah. Okay, so let's complete our task. Hey, why do I have a computer?
Hey, watch it. You got caught.
Okay, that's
Better
it.
luck next time.
Now I'm gonna be playing so hard that no one is gonna beat me. Let's do it. Let's replay this time. No one escapes me. Okay, what is it doing?
Go, go, go. Finish the task.
I told you that I'm going to be the best one. Always the best one. Oh, maybe we have to go.
Sus! I'm on fire!
No! No one beats me!
You got caught!
Okay, it's maybe getting
So
worse,
close.
sir. I'm losing already the first 3 rounds. I can't believe it, guys. I'm not gonna lose this time. And I swear that as my name is not going to be, I'm not going to lose. Yeah, put the camera on there. I'm a friend, and let's put it.
Get moving.
And so. Wait, who is it? Oh, it's Brittany. Is it Brittany? No. Who is it then? It's Elijah. Calculator. Wait, who's the imposter? Elijah's not doing anything.
One down.
Oh jeez. Okay. So yeah. I go water up the plants. You go keep checking the cooks. Go keep checking.
That should
the...
do it.
Oh yeah, 2 in a row.
Hurry up.
How much time do I have? Oh,
Hey, watch it.
I'm not gonna do it. No, dude, it's wasting time. I'm getting so
Out of time.
angry.
Better luck next time.
Wait, Oh, that looks awesome. Oh no, I can't buy. I can't afford for me. Oh yeah, guys, I have good news. If I hit 50 subs, then I'm gonna be playing Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach in my PC because I'm going to be buying it. With my life saves, I'm going to be buying Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach, and that's okay, it's Micah.
That should do it. Thank me later.
Oh yeah, the bin. I thought we had the washing machine. Oh, it's Micah. Micah's sus. He was always sus since the very first time when we played Among Us. When they played Among Us. Hey, Shiloh. I mean, Shiloh is the main character of the...
Here to help.
Oh no. Joey. Nah.
You got caught.
Okay, that's it.
So close.
Okay, now you guys can call me that I'm a loser, but no. But at least I'm earning money. Anyways, I don't know what Judah has against Brittany. Because he always... Oh yes, imposter time.
Time starts now.
Let's go.
I'm right behind you.
Let's get Judah.
Imposter strikes again. Be afraid. Gotcha.
Let's get him. Wait, Cuddy, wait.
Better watch out. You got them all.
Yes.
You make it
Let's
look
go.
easy.
I never lose. Okay, maybe the mask brings only luck on... Man, I like this game a lot. Okay, now it's your time. Write in the comments, who should I choose? Judah, Brittany, Micah, Daniel, or Mary? Next video, okay? I'm gonna buy him. Now I'm just gonna stick with Josiah. And I'm gonna go to the boat. Yes, one again.
Winner.
Okay, maybe I should buy this. Okay, guys, please write in. I just level 8. Maybe later. Okay, I just said it. Am I going in the boat now? Oh, bedrooms. What do we get to do here? Ooh, Okay, yeah, we know all that. This. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, that's cool. Okay, should we play on the boat? Oh, yes. I think we're playing the boat. I'm gonna take your bed for a ride. If I'm possible. Okay, my friend. Oh.
Let the games begin.
Okay, stay away from everyone. We can't trust anyone. Oh, it's Judah. It's Judah.
That should do it.
Actually, you should report the crime and then... Wait, but what task are these?
One down.
Oh, should I...
Thank me later.
Oh, no!
You got caught.
Again.
Better luck next time.
And I know that this time is a very good luck. I'm getting a bit competitive in this game, but I think it's a very cool game. It's like it's Among Us without life.
Here we go.
Okay, let's stay away from Mary. Wait, what is this? Because oh, the vacuum cleaner. Okay. What? Oh my gosh. Oh,
Sus!
the vacuum cleaners. Oh, woo! Oh man, I love the vacuum cleaner.
I'm on fire! That should do it.
Okay, let's go, let's go. Oh man, I like the
Get
cat.
away from me!
Oh yes, she missed. Oh shoot. Get.
Finish the task.
Wait. I just finished.
You got
caught.
Better luck next time.
Hey, maybe we should buy a cactus. Guys, I told you, please. Okay, this is the first time, so I'm not gonna bother you guys anymore to write in the comments. Please subscribe to the channel and and hit the like button. Please, because I want to play with you guys. Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. And this is my last victory. I know it's gonna be the last victory. If it's not... Okay, if I have victory in here, everybody has to click and like the video.
Thank me later. Finish the task.
Because this time I am going to win against... Oh yeah.
Hey, watch it.
Oh yeah, I like the vacuum cleaner. Oh, it's Micah.
Here to help. One down.
Oh wait, what other cast?
Time's running out. Get away from me.
Oh wait. No!
Out of time.
I just made the task. A crown. Okay, maybe for the next. Well guys, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed a lot of seeing me losing. But click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye.